Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gun to the Gray, and today we're going to be looking at Killmonger's fake dreadlocks. As you guys seen in the last video, I did a review on his dreadlocks, and I personally just thought they were real. And I got caught up on not doing enough research on this. I mean, it's pretty much like the first time I messed up on someone's dreadlocks. Basically, just kidding, but we are going to be looking at this and kind of seeing how perfect they made these look like real dreadlocks. Because like honestly, I look at dreadlocks all the time, pretty much every single day, and his hair looks real and it looks seamless the way they did his hair. So if they pulled it off for Michael B. Jordan, then we should figure out how to pull it off for ourselves. If you want synthetic dreadlocks or faux dreadlocks or fake dreadlocks or dreadlock extensions, because someone commented actually said that his hair grew out about 4 to 5 inches and his dreadlocks were about 4 to 5 inches. So there was incongruency on that comment on his hair being dreadlocks, and that was the reason for them being fake. Because with 4 to 5 inches of hair, that's probably the length that starter dreadlocks would be. But let's go ahead and look at some of the comments that you guys wrote down so I can see where I kind of missed the mark and why he has fake dreadlocks. And that was my bad. But let's take a look at these comments. Taylor Gang said, "Those aren't real dreads. Straight face, 100, 100. I definitely agree. This isn't on Killmonger, but someone asked, can fake dreads grow like real dreads? And of course they can. All it is your hair growing with the synthetic dread inside of it. Poppy Pop said, you have no idea what you're talking about, do you? I really felt that I seen everything that I needed to know, but I had to like go and yeah. Whatever. Something off subject from the dreadlocks, but they said this guy isn't a good actor, or I just don't enjoy the movies he's in. I can understand looking at Michael B. Jordan to say that he's not a good actor, because that's kind of how I took him at first. In Creed, you honestly just have to kind of look at his background, look at everything about him, and then you see how great of an actor he actually is. Says his mother did his dreads. I saw the video. That's super dope. I haven't seen the video, and that would be cool if his mom actually did do his dreads. Besides all that, let's just kind of look at how he got his synthetic dreads. So I'm assuming the best way to do this is to actually start out the dreadlock with their actual hair, and then after you start out the dread, then you can go ahead and push the extensions through the root of the hair and then pull them out long enough to where they're a little longer than the hair. That's the whole point of extensions. And I'm assuming that the extensions they used were already dreaded up, like pre-dreaded, before they actually added them to the hair, because then it just makes it a lot easier, and that's why they pulled off the actual look that they looked real. Because the only other way you'll be able to do this is if they would have like crochet hooked it and made it look as if his hair is actually really a dread, but with the extension being a dreadlock already, then it just makes it a whole lot easier. But that is another person with fake dreadlocks. This video didn't go too in depth, kind of just reading your guys' comments and kind of getting the feedback on your guys. If you guys want me to read more comments back to you guys and even answer your guys' questions, let me know in the comment section, or just ask questions and I might come out with a Q&A series or something like that. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.